Lizzie, is it a roof open or a roof closed kind of day today?
Well, it's certainly a lot drier than it was yesterday, Luxmy. Certainly, when we saw, or some of us saw, nearly half a month's worth of rainfall underneath all of that deluge. But this is an important prop today because this afternoon we are talking about sunshine and showers, and we've had both so far this morning at Wimbledon.
OK, to the weather now, and sudden overnight showers have been very much welcomed by gardeners. Sally has been to Hampton Court Palace Garden Festival.
We've got a little corner of America here in this corner of London at Hampton Court. Isn't it gorgeous? And it looks very appropriate, though, given that we've had the hottest day on the planet this week. And take a look at this tree. It flowers once every 20 years, and it did it this week, so they were absolutely overjoyed. Now, this is Trailfinders America's Wild Garden. And if you come through here, you go to the slightly more tranquil section. You've got the water, and it's cooler here in the forest. And it was made by 3 women called Inspired Earth Design, who all live very close to here. And then, if you come through this way, you get to the beautiful flowers. Look at these gorgeous echinacea and other stunning plants, wild strawberries. And earlier I spoke to some visitors here at Hampton Court who have been having a wonderful time, spending a little bit too much money. Here they are.
Not quite what we planned. We set out to buy 1 plant each.
Oh no, that always happens. How many have you got?
I don't think I want to add up.
Well, at least 2 roses.
10 each, maybe?
10 each, wow.
Probably. And more. And clothing. And bedding.
Oh.
And oven gloves. And gin.
This is the way to finish the day, isn't it? With booze and crisps.
It certainly is,
things.
yes. Ours too.
You had a good day?
Absolutely wonderful day, yeah, really nice.
So you've got that rose at home, have you?
Yes, but
is it looking like that?
No, unfortunately not.
Well, there's always hope, isn't there?
Yes, I think so. Yeah.
With me now is Nat, who is the show manager here. Thanks for joining me, Nat. Now tell me, what are the main themes you've got here at Hampton Court this year?
So this year we've got a fabulous selection of gardens based around so many topics, everything from gardening for wildlife, which is so important, gardening on a budget, which is very timely at the moment, and also gardening for resilience, so gardening for climate and for the extreme weathers that we've been seeing recently and will continue to see in the future as well.
Yes, exactly, especially given our hot June. Well, listen, Nat, take one of these. This is a drink that is inspired by the prairie flowers here. Would you like to try it? From us, okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh,
that's lovely.
That's slipping down very well, but not before we've told you what the weather's doing, and it is looking rather nice the next couple of days. Here we go. Well, how does your garden grow? We've had some great photos sent from you. This is Linda and Ivan's before it flowered. And here it is afterwards. Isn't that looking absolutely gorgeous? So do send us yours as well, your before and afters, if you have them. Right, as for the weather, well, probably fewer showers tomorrow. Looking pretty dry, could be the odd one around. Into Friday, things turning warmer and sunnier, but then a bit of a breakdown as we head into Saturday. A bit of uncertainty, we'll keep you posted. So with fine weather again, the pollen levels will pop back up. We've got some grass pollen, some weed pollen, and now some pollen from lime and sweet chestnut trees, but they might drop down again a little bit on Saturday. But for now, from us all here at Hampton Court, we'll see you later. Cheerio.
The rain that you saw at Wimbledon earlier today, no sign of it here in Edinburgh. It's been a glorious day weather-wise. The sun was shining on all those processions, the colours of the uniforms, the banners, everything vibrant, and the Royal Mile was a great sight, it has to be said. But how was it then elsewhere in the UK? We've heard about Wimbledon. Let's ask Sarah what the picture looks like.
Thanks, Hugh. Well, yes, as you were saying, we've certainly had some beautiful blue skies, but we've also had some shower clouds around as well. So this was the picture in Hastings a little earlier on, towering cumulus clouds that have been producing some showers. Still got a few showers lingering out there at the moment, but generally they're easing away for the rest of this evening. Just look at those temperatures, up to about 28, possibly 29 degrees. It won't just feel warm, it will feel quite humid on Friday as well. If you are heading to Wimbledon, then just a very outside chance of a shower tomorrow. Hot on Friday, but thunderstorms likely by Saturday. Hugh.
Hello, a very good evening from SW19 Riz. Just across the capital, of course, we've got some sunny spells now, and the crowd behind me on Henman Hill are, well, they were sitting in the sunshine. It's clouded over now, but enjoying the match, of course, on centre. It's been a much more pleasant day of weather today here at Wimbledon across the capital than yesterday, when some of us, of course, saw around half a month's worth of rainfall. A few showers, yes, earlier on today, but no big upsets weather-wise or tennis-wise. We did have some protests, though.
Hello there. Wednesday on the whole has been a quieter day with some sunny spells. There have been a few scattered showers, so from time to time looking up in the sky, some threatening looking shower cloud, as you can see from this weather watcher picture sent in from Luce in Kent.
And after the UK's hottest June, another record has been broken twice this week. Monday was the world's warmest day ever recorded, and our latest figures show yesterday may have been even warmer. Well, Alex is here. Alex, not the best news, really.
Not the best news, and of course we had that record-breaking June. But yes, what's happening here, unfortunately, isn't in isolation. Climate change is a worldwide problem, as we know, and Monday gone was officially our hottest day on Earth. And this snapshot of the global temperature map shows, well, paints a pretty clear picture, doesn't it? In terms of the heat distribution, the average global temperature was 17 degrees Celsius, making it a new record, surpassing August 2016. But we believe that Monday's record was broken just yesterday on Tuesday, reaching a new global temperature average of around 17.18 degrees Celsius. Now, on both days, the wildfires in Canada were still raging, and officials say it's their worst season in history, and air quality is expected to be a problem for the rest of the summer. And even where it's winter, it's still not cold enough. On Monday and Tuesday, parts of Antarctica stayed above freezing, and we know there's an ice shortfall here, in fact 5 times the size of the UK landmass. Of course, there are a number of factors at play: warming in the South Pacific, El Nino, natural variability, and climate change.
Even a small change can have a big impact locally. For example, we know from scientific assessments that just 1 degree of global warming means that the likelihood of an extreme heat wave that would have happened, say, only once in 50 years normally, would now be happening 5 times as often. So once every 10 years instead of once every 50 years. And at the same time, it will also be more intense.
Well, the good news closer to home is that over the next few days, we don't have any heat waves, but temperatures are going to head towards 30 come the end of this week. So we're not talking about a heat wave at the end of this week, but Friday into the weekend, temperatures are going to be around 30, but dropping off on Monday.
All right, Alex, thank you.